So we're starting our red, white, and blue day. So we just had some strawberries for red, white, and blue day.
Hey, do you know?
So when Olive gets back from the doctor with Mommy, then you three are gonna come home with me. Oh, and I'm sitting in a red chair. And I do have red, white, and blue on, so I'm being...
I'm gonna eat red, white, and blue food today. That looks so yummy.
Morning, the sun is coming up, it's early, and I have... She's sitting in a red chair, and I have a strawberry Pop-Tart. Eat anything good this morning?
No.
She's going to eat today, and she's going to share it with me, Grandma.
But Matilda's gonna eat her own.
And Matilda has a blue shirt on for red, white, and blue. Star shorts.
Oh.
Let me see. Oh, well, I didn't mean to get that much.
Yeah?
My house, and we're gonna eat red, white, and blue for how many? How long? 24 hours.
Manae, I washed it last night.
Oh, your hair feels so soft, Olive. Oh my goodness, it's so shiny. It's pretty. So, we have a blue swimming pool, and the kitties were in it. The foods are that I got for you. I got something red.
I saw watermelon.
Watermelon.
I saw fruit punch.
Fruit punch. Blue Gatorade.
You guys are going out to the pool.
Oh, look at my teeth. Is it cold?
Kinda. Droppy candy. It looks like... We're painting our fingernails red, white, and blue. White nail polish and put little designs on.
Yes. Stripes and stars. All of you want a fork. I'd like to see what you're going to do with that. Oh, that's pretty, Olive. You did a good job.
Stop making me weird.
Then after you paint your fingernails, we'll eat something red, white, and blue.
Okay. I only want my nails only blue, no other colors.
Why?
I just don't want other colors.
Why?
I just don't want other colors.
I know.
I'm done with mine, Manae.
Okay, let them dry. Go in front of the fan, girls.
These are mine.
Oh, red, white, and blue.
Red and stars on the blue. Well, dots.
Oh, right. Lunch. Ooh, look at this table. And let me see your fingernails. Yeah. Okay, look. We have red strawberry juice. And we have white turkey in our sandwiches.
That's so yummy.
That's red, white, and blue. We have this, blue chips and red salsa. You do?
Yeah. Yeah. The sandwich is very yummy.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. I'm in red, white, and blue too. See? So I can eat some blue chips with red salsa.
Now you can't miss. Look at my earrings.
Cute.
Earring, right here today.
Oh, a second hole.
She has one. No.
Oh, you can eat one. So we have white marshmallows.
And
then red, white, and blue Rice Krispie treats.
We'll stop the video real quick.
Okay, we had to stop for a minute. Matilda had a scratch on her knee. So let's look in the floor right here. Closer. You can see it.
Blending all this. Oy. So sticky. Here we go. Also has a lot in it, but we're just gonna go with this now.
And why do you use wax paper, guys?
There's a bunch in there, but I don't want it. I just.
What are you eating, Matilda?
Marshmallows. White kitten.
Almost white.
Yeah, he has a little bit of gray on him, but it's still white.
When y'all get ready for a snack, I have some red applesauce.
But it's not red, white, and blue. I'm just black.
It is nice you're sitting out here, though.
Thank you for the Gatorade.
That would put me to sleep, Matilda. That rocking. If anybody's thirsty, I have blue Gatorade juice for you. Oh, you were just chewing on the cup?
I'm gonna mix it up.
Do you want to try the blue Gatorade? Oh, wait. Finish your juice first. It's okay.
No, I want to mix it up. Can you push me?
Blue and red makes
Because
purple.
of my knees. The wind's pushing you. Manae, look. Wait, guys, look. Look.
Oh, you got
From a mini man to a strong man.
What?
Look at me, guys. I'm standing up. Guys, look at me. I'm standing up. Yeah, I see Lulu. Talking about Manae, look at me. It's only sitting there. Hit the tree. Woo! Hit the tree. Ow. I thought Gabby hit my leg because I hit that and ouch. Baboo.
Is she here? We're having our red watermelon. And Olive is doing a little craft thing here with the red, white, and blue. She painted the spoons red like a flag with the fingernail polish. Here's your red food. Some red watermelon for today. Matilda, do you want your red food?
Yeah.
Some red watermelon.
I got a blue floaty because
And a blue floaty and a blue pool.
Blue's got a yellow.
Oh my goodness, you guys are so patriotic.
Blue's got
Oh, okay, you got a red one then? Okay. And privileged it
I
is.
like America more than other. No diving. People, no diving.
She's not gonna dive, she doesn't know how.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to dive. I've been diving off of 10
Hold on,
feet.
Lou.
Did you know I've died off of 10 feet?
Is that cold? Here's your watermelon.
It's so good. I'm gonna go on my belly. Move the. Manae cut the watermelon, and now she's eating it.
White salt on your red watermelon is delicious. Okay, it's my turn to paint my toes. I'm painting my toes, not my fingers. Matilda's taking a little rest with a kitten. And Lou is taking a rest with a kitten. They're so snuggly.
For the red, white, and blue video, I made a white jelly fruit.
A jelly fruit?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Water.
Oh.
It pops in your mouth. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm. I was doing this. Okay, so we put M&Ms in a circle on this table, and we're going to see what happens when we pour water in the plate.
I've done this with Skittles before. Skittles. It works better with
And the colors are
Skittles,
gonna
I think.
splash.
We know, Lulu. Not happening.
You just have to wait.
Oh, I see some on the reds.
Did you use just warm water or cold water?
It's coming. No. That is so pretty. Well,
Please
it's
don't
hard
put-
for me.
I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, you can have some to eat. Oh, look at that, girls.
I love that.
Yeah, is that pretty?
It's just like my striped dress.
Back?
This one isn't going.
Matilda.
The white and the blues are my favorite. Blue is like my. water. That one is. But I'm gonna drink some. You pour it from my mouth, it's gonna all drip. So now it tastes like chocolate water.
I don't think you touch it, it won't. Experiment with the M&Ms. Let's see what happens here. Mix them all up.
Putting them just randomly anywhere. We want to see what happens. Yeah, this is
Colors and we don't see the red, white, and blue. Because
So guys, we're having some pizza because of the colors, the red sauce, and the cheese is kind of white. And I have applesauce. And we have some strawberry applesauce, and it's red. It's pretty much red.
Yeah, it's pretty much red.
But strawberries are red.
Yeah, strawberries are red, but it's not that red. It's a little bit.
But it still means orange. Because that. This is our dinner. And we're going to have a bedtime snack of red, white, and blue cereal for nighttime. Look, watch our ears.
your stars.
Look
at the Bible.
This land is mine.
We know it looks like the Bible.
Yeah.
To the New York Islands. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land was made for you and me.
So guys, since Olive's not here, it's because my mom's taking my mom to go get her nose pierced again because her nose was hurting when she got it last time. And today my mom is taking her to get her second ear pierced for 1 year.
On Olive the time,
Uh-huh.
your sister.
Opa's here.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
look at Opa, the video.
I see.
And when mommy goes, she might make an appointment for me to get my second ear pierced. I'm just gonna get it on this ear. No, this.
Oh, okay.
I'm
So,
just gonna get it on this ear. Give us a big thumbs up so we can do that to me so we can do that to me and let me have a second ear.
We are going to make a surprise.
Subscribe.
hold it up. Subscribe to our channel. Oh no.
Subscribe.
The last hoorah. The last
Here, I'll do
white
I'll do
food. Here. Oh! What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. Ah. Oh.
Taller than them. Okay. I was gonna send them the address.
I sent it to them.
Okay.
I sent them the address
Mmm.
and I sent them the listing so they could see the pictures.
Has one bedroom.
Yeah, some.
And
So they're talking about just getting Opa with his
Opa.
his stars on his head.
Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
O'clock in the evening. And this is
And then
it.
the other place, he didn't think